Assessment 2. What makes up our planet? Most of the Earth's surface is comprised of water, 70% to be exact. The remaining 30% is made up of the 7 continental landmasses. On these continents, there is an estimated 3 trillion trees. The importance of trees. Trees play a significant role in the biosphere. They are responsible for the intake of carbon dioxide and the output of oxygen, which is vital in ensuring all the humans and animals on planet Earth can breathe. Trees also perform carbon fixation. This is when a living organism traps carbon dioxide through photosynthesis, showing that the more trees we have, the less carbon dioxide is trapped in the atmosphere. Trees are also home to some of the most abundant and diverse organisms, including many insect and bird species. Without the forests that trees make up, many animals would be without a home. What is deforestation? Deforestation is defined as the conversion of forest into any other form of land use, by removing all the existing vegetation. This occurs primarily for reasons including urban development and animal agriculture. With the Australian human population predicted to reach between 42.4 and 70.1 million people by 2101, there is a huge demand for food and housing, which will only increase over time. Deforestation mainly occurs around coastal regions due to its soil quality and ideal temperature. It is estimated that 470,000 hectares of land is cleared per year around Australia, 90% of such occurring in Queensland. Why is deforestation an environmental issue? Deforestation is a serious environmental issue and contributes largely to global warming. Let me explain. With so many trees being removed from the biosphere, and keeping in mind that trees help convert carbon dioxide to oxygen, a lack of tree population means excess carbon dioxide floating around the atmosphere, and thus excessively warming the planet. So with a rising human population and the demand for urban development and animal agriculture increasing, why don't we just plant more trees? Well, studies show that once an area has been cleared or deforested, future regrowth of natural biodiversity is poor and the chances of regeneration are nothing. As well as this, forest ecosystems play an important role in maintaining the surrounding air temperature, regulating precipitation, having rich soil nutrient properties, as well as maintaining groundwater depth and salinity. Destroying forest ecosystems means that the mentioned properties have no regulation, and thus experiencing damaging modifications. What it means for the future. If deforestation continues to occur the way it does, the decreasing number of trees will continue to have many detrimental impacts on the global biosphere. Because forest ecosystems play an important role in the atmosphere, the future could see a much drier climate with less rainfall. This means that the atmosphere will be hotter, soil nutrients will decrease, and all life on Earth will have to find a way to adjust to the hotter temperatures. Some species of plants and animals may struggle to tolerate or adapt to hotter temperatures, as their distribution may be limited by food availability, and thus their survival may be jeopardized. On a similar note, removal of trees on Earth means an increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, as there will be fewer trees to convert it to oxygen. This contributes to the warming of the planet through the greenhouse effect. It can be made clear that the deforestation has a multitude of negative impacts on the global biosphere and impedes the future survival of much life on Earth. Why I chose the environmental issue and its importance and relevance to society. I chose the environmental issue deforestation as it is a very serious topic that has in the past and still continues to threaten every aspect of our biosphere. It is very relevant to society as it will negatively impact humans in every way if it is an environmental issue that is ignored. Deforestation in particular resonates an interest for me as it is predominantly human-induced but isn't acknowledged by many people. The two main contributing factors, urban development and animal agriculture, are both issues that can be addressed by the general public but generally aren't, leaving it up to the government bodies to implement change. Because of such, I find deforestation a particularly challenging but interesting topic to study. Why I chose my type of media. I chose to create a video as my type of media as I find it the easiest to implement the most creativity. It is a form of media that is generally easier for people to become engaged with and is pretty easy to access over YouTube. What audience I hope to reach? I hope to reach a younger audience with my video. It is aimed at kids and younger teenagers as a basic guide to understanding deforestation in detail, while being creative enough to engage and maintain attention and curiosity.